Hi, and welcome to the first video in the series on exploring first encounters. As we explore the vast expanse of space, one question that has always intrigued us is whether we are alone in the universe. Today, we may have an answer to that question. Imagine scientists have detected an incoming signal from a distant planet, indicating the presence of intelligent life. The signal is unlike anything we've ever encountered before. The first step in communicating with these extraterrestrial beings is to try to understand their language. And that's where linguists come in. Linguists are experts in identifying and analyzing language patterns, and they will play a crucial role in deciphering the alien signal. The importance of understanding the alien language cannot be overstated. It could open up a whole new world of possibilities, from learning about their culture and society to potentially establishing diplomatic relations. Mathematics, which is the universal language, could also be a key factor in communicating with the aliens. We might be able to use mathematical equations to convey complex ideas and concepts, even if we can't understand each other's spoken languages. As we embark on this exciting journey of discovery, let's remember that these aliens are not so different from us. They too are probably looking for answers and trying to make sense of the world around them. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be able to look back on this moment as the beginning of a new era of collaboration and understanding between our two species. As linguists begin to analyze the alien signal, they will use various techniques to understand the language patterns and identify the meaning behind them. One approach is to look at the frequency and distribution of different sounds and words in the signal. By comparing this to known language patterns, they can begin to build a basic understanding of the alien language. Another technique is to study the grammatical structure of the signal. By identifying patterns in the way words are arranged and used together, linguists can begin to understand the syntax and grammar of the alien language. One example of this is the use of affixes, which are small units of sound or letters that are added to words to change their meaning. Linguists may be able to identify patterns in the use of affixes in the alien signal, which could help them to understand how words are formed and used in the language. Another example is the use of tone, which can convey different meanings in some languages. Linguists may be able to identify tonal patterns in the alien signal, which could help them to understand how tone is used to convey meaning in the language. Now, let's talk about mathematics, which is a universal language. By using mathematical concepts and equations, we might be able to establish an understanding with the aliens, even if we can't understand each other's spoken languages. For example, the use of prime numbers, which are numbers that can only be divided by one and themselves, could be used to establish a basic understanding of numbers and arithmetic. We could also use geometry, which is the study of shapes and sizes, to convey concepts such as distance and measurement. As we continue to analyze the alien signal and try to establish communication, we must remember that the path to understanding is not always easy or straightforward. But by using a combination of linguistic and mathematical techniques, we may be able to bridge the gap and establish a connection with these extraterrestrial beings. As we've seen, linguistics and mathematics are both vital tools in our efforts to communicate with extraterrestrial life. Linguistics provides us with the means to understand the alien language and identify the meaning behind it, while mathematics allows us to convey complex ideas and concepts in a universal language. The discovery of intelligent life beyond Earth is a momentous event in human history, and it's crucial that we approach it with care and caution. By using a combination of linguistic and mathematical techniques, we can begin to bridge the gap between our two worlds and establish a connection with these advanced beings. But let's not forget that this is just the beginning. As we continue to learn more about these extraterrestrial beings and their language, we may be able to unlock new insights and knowledge that we never thought possible. The discovery of alien life not only brings us closer to answering the age-old question of whether we are alone in the universe, but it also opens a new horizon of opportunities and possibilities. Let's keep our minds open and continue to explore the unknown. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribing or just leaving a like will allow us to create more content like this for you to enjoy.